The judge casework items are distributed among magistrates on a round-robin basis. Hi, my name is Andreas Hense and this video is part of a series on resource patterns in YAWL. Today we talk about round-robin allocation, the ability to allocate a work item to a selected resource chosen from a group of eligible resources on a cyclic basis. You can see the behavior in the following flash animation. So, round-robin, we have a judge case task here and we start the animation. And the first one is allocated by round-robin to Sean. Sean starts and completes the work item. Then in the next case, the work item is allocated again to a magistrate by round-robin. And this time it is Alicia. And the next one is again allocated by round-robin, and I would guess that it's Nathan. Let's see. Yes, Nathan. And then it goes on like that, so it starts back again with Sean, I would guess. Yes, and you get the idea. In YAWL, we can implement this by choosing the round-robin by time allocation strategy. So here again, the admin on the top, the workflow specification on the right, and we have Sean, Alicia, and Nathan. And the first case is already started, and the first judge casework item has been allocated to Alicia. So now let's start another one, start another case, and look who has received it. Second one goes to Nathan. So next one goes to Alicia. So I would have expected Sean here. And the next one goes to Alicia again. The next one goes to Nathan. Next one goes to Alicia again. And the next one goes to Sean. And another one for Sean. And another one for Sean. And another one. Yet another one, so this does not really look like round-robin. According to the YAWL user manual, the round-robin by time strategy chooses the participant in the set who has not been allocated a task instance for the longest time. It doesn't really do that. There is a bug here, I think. Thank you for watching.